Okay, so just really quickly here, I wanted to quickly demonstrate the saved query capability of the MxMeter app. So if we go to the assets application here, you can see we've got a few different public available queries, one of them being pumps at the Bedford site, assets with devices, I'm not sure what that is. But if we run this, obviously we get records back. If I run a different one, I get a different set of records back. So what I'd like is for that same list to be available in my device here. So if I click on the little options icon at the upper left, we get a list of MxMeter options here. One of them is saved queries. So if I click on saved queries, I get a list of the available saved queries. You'll notice that the assets with devices is the only saved query here in the list. I don't get the IT stock X or pumps at Bedford site. The reason that is because of object structure security in Maximo. So if we actually go to the object structures application, and we're going to look up the MX asset object structure, which is what this app is based upon. At the bottom here in the More Actions menu, you'll see this query definition. And the only query that we have available here is the asset with devices. So if I come in here and choose asset as my app name, and my query clause is going to be this pumps. Say OK. Now when I come back and refire that saved queries, you can see I've got the pumps listed here, and when I click on that pump, I get a list of pumps back. So if you want to expose saved queries to the MxMeter app, simply go to the Maximo in the object structure definition for MX asset or MxOperLoc if you're looking at locations. And come down to query definition under more actions and define those queries there. So that's it for now. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.